Good morning, students. Myself T.P. Singh, lecturer, English lecturer, Jora Devi Inter College, Civil Lines, Prayag. Today I am going to teach you third special rules for voice, and I am sure that the rules which had been taught by me in last days, your concept would be clear about those rules. Now, today I am going to tell you about the special rules for voice, and you have to grasp all those rules in your mind in proper sequence. Now, students, our first rule: if in active voice sentences ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ वर्ब इज नॉट एनी वर्ड और फ्रेज, यदि एक्टिव वॉइस वाले वाक्यों में वर्ब का जो ऑब्जेक्ट है कोई शब्द अथवा फ्रेज वाक्यांश न हो, बट इट इज ए क्लाज, बल्कि वो एक उपवाक्य क्लाज हो, इन पैसिव वॉइस में इट इज यूज एज सब्जेक्ट ऑफ वर्ब, इट का प्रयोग वर्ब के सब्जेक्ट में किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे से that the king is coming. It means in this example the object of verb is not any word or any phrase, but it is a clause. So now when we change such active voice into passive voice, it will be used in the beginning of sentence. It is said that the king is coming. Our second rule: formation of few sentences in active voice is am, are, was, were plus to plus verb. While changing such sentences into passive voice, to be is used after these words, and as you know that in passive voice third form of the main verb will be used. For example, he is to help me. In this sentence, he is subject, me is object. When we change this sentence to passive voice, me become as subject of passive voice. I am to be helped by him. I was to call him. In this sentence, I is subject, him is object, and when we change such sentence into passive voice, him is converted to he. He was to be called by me. Now I will tell you about third rule. Now students, our third rule is formation of active voice has, have, had plus to plus verb. While changing to passive voice, to be is used after these verbs. For example, जैसे अगर मान लीजिए वाक्य बनावट में has, have, had का प्रयोग है, तो पैसिव वॉइस में इन क्रियाओं के बाद में to be का प्रयोग किया जाता है. We have to help him. He has to be helped by us. Him is object and him is converted into he, and we is converted into us. She has to complete her work. In this sentence, she is subject, her work is object, and when we change this sentence to passive voice, her work become as subject of passive voice. Her work has to be completed by her. Rule number 4: if the structure of active voice can, could, may, might, will, shall, must, should, in passive voice be will be used. अगर मान लीजिए वाक्य बनावट में हमारे एक्टिव वॉइस में कैन, कुड, मे, माइट, शैल, शुड इन क्रियाओं का प्रयोग रहता है, ऐसे वाक्यों को पैसिव में बदलते समय बी का प्रयोग इन क्रियाओं पर बी का प्रयोग किया जाता है. जैसे एग्जांपल, ही शुड हेल्प हर, तो शी शुड बी हेल्प बाय हिम. आई कैन हेल्प यू, यू कैन बी हेल्प बाय मी. ये इट मीन्स टुडे आई हैव टॉट यू special rule for voice part third, and I am sure that you have gained proper concept about this chapter. If you have any problem, if you have any you may say that suspicion about this chapter, you may ask me, and you have to revise these rules properly so that you can be able to grasp all rules in your mind in proper sequence. That's all. हाँ, तो विद्यार्थियों, आज आपको जो मैं पढ़ाया स्पेशल रूल फॉर वॉइस, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको ये समझ में आया होगा, आपको कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ होगा, और बिल्कुल उसको रिवाइज करिएगा। और जहाँ कोई समस्या होगी फिर आप कॉन्सेप्ट हमसे पूछ सकते हैं फ़ोन के माध्यम से, जैसे भी। और नाउ थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।